Chumerica! Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Kumusta ang buhay? Alam ko medyo hirap yung buhay natin. Palagi namang hirap yung buhay natin, day. Kahit nung una pa, day. Sabi ng mama ko, ang hirap ng buhay. And then ngayon, mahirap pa din ang buhay. Pero lalaban tayo, hindi tayo pwede susuko, day. Paano na yung mga anak natin, day? Patay. So alam niyo ba mga inday, yung anak ko day, nagtatanim kasi siya or nagtanim siya ng sunflower. And then ngayon, pagising niya sa umaga, nasad na siya day kasi parang medyo nalalanta yung sunflower niya. And then ipapakita ko sa inyo mga inday. Ito mga inday oh. Diba day, parang nalalanta yung dahon niya day. So ngayon nilalagyan niya ng kaunting tubig. Lalagyan ko itong yung Tagalog talaga natin, diba? Yung dila o kasi, diba, feel ko nagbuhol-buhol sa loob ng bibig ko. So lalagyan natin ng tubig, diba? Tara. Kasi kaunti lang yung nilagay niya na tubig ba. Ilalagay ko muna kayo dyan. And then dito ako dahil huwag kayong mawawala. Ready, get, set, go! Patay. Parang tumatakbo. Pasensya na kayo, may maririnig kayo na sasakyan kasi nga is nandito tayo sa yung bahay namin dahil is gilid ng kalsada. Pero hindi to super highway dahil lang ba, 2 lane lang. Binuhos ko na lahat, day. Binuhos ko na lahat yung tubig. Wala nang laman. Pasok na tayo, day, kasi nga is wala pa akong kapi, day. Yung puto-puto ko, day, nag-ilab na ko sa Bisaya pa. Sa Tagalog, I think, yung sikmura na. I think, tama ba ko, day? Correct me if I'm wrong. Ano ako dito, day? Kape sa baso ko, but lalagyan ko na lang ng hot water dan tulog pa si Bibi ka. Kaya ngayon may me time tayo and then maaga akong simula ng aking mga labahin, day, kasi ang dami kong labahin to, day. Patay. So ngayon ito na yung hot water natin. Kailangan siya na more tubig natin, day. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, day, ha. Diyan natin ang more water. More water. Tama na yan. Baka aapaw. Lagay natin ito sa basura, day. Basurahan natin. And then, na natin to. Ganituhin mo pa kasi, day, bago siya mag-produce ng hot water, day. And then, may nag-blink-blink na dyan. And then, i-push mo to, day. Di okay na, day. Maghihintay na lang ako na mag-produce ng hot water. Mga inday, i-check natin si Bibi Kano, day, kung gising na ba, day. And then, yung yan yung may-ari ng bulaklak, day. Yung anak ko, day, tinitingnan niya talaga yung bulaklak niya, day. No video. No video yung ilong. Sabi niya no video daw. Mahiyain kasi yun, day. Kaya yun, day. What? Open natin yung garage mo, guys. Day. And then pupuntahan na natin si Bibi Kano. Parang makulimlim man siya, day. I-check lang natin si Bibi Kano, mga inday ba? Kasi tayong mga ina, ganyan talaga tayong mga ina, mag-alala tayo, day. So, yung boses ko, day, hihinaan ko yung boses ko, day, para hindi ito gigising kung tulog pa. So, titingnan ko muna, sisilipin ko muna, mga inday. Tulog pa din si Bibi Kano. Good news. Patay. Good news talaga. So, pasok tayo ulit sa day, sa loob. And then, yung kape ko, day, hindi ko pa nainom yung kape ko, day, kasi nga is nag-usap or nag-send ako ng message sa doktor ng anak ko day or sa sekretary ng doktor. Nag-message ako day kasi malapit na maubos yung medicine niya day, yung gamot ng anak ko day. So kay 1 week na lang and then mauubos na. So kailangan natin mag-advance ng utak. So nag-request na ako day, baka may importante pa naman yung medicine. Alam niyo ba mga inday, yung lawnmower namin akala namin sira. Pero day na-drain lang pala yung battery niya. Kaya ngayon nakasaksak yan day, naka-charge yan day. And then mamaya imo ng asawa ko dito na side kasi dito kasi galing dito at papunta doon yung tatlong kahoy na yun, makikita niyo ba sa video, sa amin pa yan na property dahil hanggang doon sa dulo dahil sa amin pa yan. So kita niyo naman mataas na yung damo, but dito na side dahil is namo na ng asawa ko dahil dito sa harapan ng bahay ba. So yan namo na ng asawa ko. Hala, ano yan? May sasakyan. Towing truck. Yan yung tawag dito day, towing truck day. Nagtutow sila ng mga sasakyan. And then tingnan nyo day di ba day, yung grass is hindi pa siya mahaba. So hanggang doon sa dulo day, naputulan na muna ng asawa ko day. So mamayang hapon sabi ko sa inyo, imo niya yung kabila. So ngayon i-check natin kung may mail tayo day, kasi kahapon ay wala tayong mail day. Kasi kahapon day is may pinuntahan kami kahapon, and then hindi na ako naka-video kasi medyo busy day. Huy, Ginoo ko day, ang sobrang laki ng hospital, Children's Hospital ng Detroit. Sobrang laki day, may underground pa day. Nasaag sa Bisaya ba? Nasaag manggani ni. Unsa ang Tagalog nasaag day? Comment kayo sa comment section below day. Basta nasaag ni day, nagtanong-tanong na lang kami day kasi dumaan talaga kami ng underground day. Huy, Ginoo ko day, yung parking lot nila sa Detroit Children's Hospital day. Huy, hanggang 10 floor day. Car park 10 floor siya day parang mas mataas at mas malaki pa sa mga mall day. Ginoo ko Lord, hangak-hangakon jud ka og kuan baklay. Pero may mga elevator naman. Pero still mag-walking ka pa rin, and then hihingalin ka sa paglalakad mo day. Oo, apatay. Ay, pasok na tayo sa loob day. Mga inday, nandito ulit tayo sa garage mga inday. Kailangan natin isampay itong nalabhan na natin day. And then, kailangan ko pang kunin itong lahat na damit day. Kasi dry na to. And then, ilagay ko yung panibagong nalabhan ko day. And then, hindi ko na kayo dadalhin sa buong trabaho ko day. Kasi yung video natin day, lalong hahaba pa day. And then, i-update ko na lang kayo mamaya mga inday. Hello mga inday. Ang oras dito sa amin is 1 o'clock in the afternoon na mga inday. And then, tapos na din nakaligo si Baby Kano mga inday. Yun, basta yan yung attire niya day. What you say? What you say, anak? Shh, kuya. What you say? Say? Huh? Ashir? What you say ba? Kuku. What you say, anak? Uy. What you say ba? Woo? Hello mga inday, nandito tayo sa sasakyan ngayon mga inday. May pupuntahan tayo at of course isasama ko kayo guys, huwag kayo mawala. Ay patay. Nandyan yung ating bata-batuta. Hi! Hello! Sis, bagong gising yan day. Wala pa sa mood day yung bata-batuta natin. Of course yung driver natin, yung husband. Husband ko lang day ha, hindi husband nyo. Galing pa yan ng work day. What? What you say?
Where's the sheriff's at?
It's going straight there. And then turn right. And then don't pass just slowly because just there. Dahil pupuntahan namin yung yard sale Day, na nakita namin kahapon. Kasi ang daming mga item, ang daming tininda. So baka may magugustuhan tayo. And then actually mga Inday, ito ay ang slipper ko galing sa yard sale. Nung last week, only last week? Is that last week we buy this one? Or Friday? I don't really remember.
It's like Friday,
I think it's Friday. $2 lang, Day!
Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, it's don't look! Why it you have a lot?
Covered up.
Gee, no, it's not cover up. See? Even couch, even bike, even everything. For sale bike. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung ating even there's a Parados.
Is it four-wheeler?
They will sell that. Ala, it's
And
for
boat.
sale. Jesus, where they go? Maybe they will go somewhere. That's why they are selling their things
I don't
in.
know, but you got
The
room,
house.
so now's the time for you to go.
Okay, sorry. Too much talking. Too much talking to asawa. Pupuntahan natin, Day. Baka may mapili tayo, Day.
The door's gonna want to close on you.
Yeah. Yan yung yard sale, Day. Ang dami, Day. Mga bike din. Binta yung bike. May couch. Yan yung yard sale dito, Day. Nagtinas sa magtingin tayo, Day. Day, nandito na tayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Wala kaming napili, Day. I think, Day, sila what we call that? I think for sale nila yung bahay nila. Maybe. Yeah, my love, maybe they will for sale their house. Because I think most of the item there is, things of their house. That's closet, dining table, something like that.
Yeah, lots of furniture.
Lots of furnitures. So I think ibibenta nila yung bahay nila.
This is a
And
miracle. They could have just had all that stored in the garage.
okay. Or maybe tinago lang nila yun sa garage, Day. And then it's time to sale na. So wala kaming napili, Day. But it's okay. Tinatry. Ganyan talaga basta magpupunta ka dito sa garage sale, Day. Hindi mo alam kung may magugustuhan ka or parang may bagay sa'yo, yun ba? So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa where we go, my love? First, in the auto park or what?
To the ATM machine and then to the lawnmower.
Okay. So, kuha muna tayo ng cash and then, kasi dahil may kailangan kaming bilhin battery ng aming lawnmower. So, yan yung bagong battery, diba? So, kailangan na talagang bilhan. So, ngayon, yan yung pupuntahan natin, dahil battery.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la.
I need to
Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la.
Shit in my garage. So that's what people do.
Yeah, that's it.
You get rid of the old shit and you put the new shit.
Sabi ko sa asawa ko, dahil kasi may nag-yard sale kasi dito before, dahil.
That motorcycle.
Yeah. And then, dahil sabi ko sa kanya, bakit hindi na sila nagtitinda? Kasi dahil gusto ko yung mga tinda nila ba, kasi yung sizes dahil fit sa akin dahil maliliit. Kaya gusto ko magtitinda sila uli. And then sabi ng asawa ko, kaya sinabi yan na, tinawag yan na yard sale. Kasi hindi araw-araw sila nagtitinda, yung mga hindi na nila ginagamit, yan yung na yard sale nila. Maybe that is has ice cream house there is yummy. Maybe we never try.
Well, what the?
What happened? What happened?
Oh, that's alright.
Yung anak ko day, tingin-tingin lang si Asher day,
Wow.
Left and right. Itong driver dito day, patay.
She's
May
a very heavy old lady.
may mga talaga na driver day, no? Kahit ikaw ay yung amping kaya basta ka na ganing nagda-drive ka ng mabuti ba, and
They
then yung
took out the, I'm sorry, didn't mean to cut off your conversation there, but they still got 2 for $10 on the pizza. That's a very
Oh.
important thing that we should talk about.
May ano kasi dalawa, day. Dalawang pizza is $10 lang, day. Mura na yan dito, day. Dalawang pizza is like 500 pesos, yeah? Yeah, $10.
Yeah, for two.
For 2 pizza, day, 500 pesos lang, day. Sobrang mura na yan dito sa amin. So, ano pa rin sila, may ganyan pa din sila na promo. Nandito tayo, day. Ito yung back nila, day.
Sorry, I just don't like doing it the right way.
So, wait here, my love. Ako lang yung papasok doon sa loob, day. Agra. Kasi si Bibi Kano da. And then, hala, day, malapit naman yan. Matumba ilang kuan, day. Uy, lahang building, day. Parang nagganyan na ang kanilang building ba? Oh, it's almost like going down like that. Hi, Asher. Hello. Papa will go somewhere. Papa will buy a battery for lawnmower. Bata natin, sobrang seryoso yung mukha ng ating bata, day. Why your face super serious? Peekaboo. Tumatawa na, day. Tumatawa na. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hindi na siya seryoso, day. Kanina sobrang seryoso, di ba? Nakita niyo kanina? Peekaboo. Tumatawa na yung bata. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. Kina-cover yung face niya. Ano, day, oh. Yan na yung building na yan, day. Malapit na siyang matumba. Patay, ay. That's scary. Diba? We're here in the old building, 100 years old.
1880.
Oh, this
That's still not worth that time, no? Patay.
butterflies are dancing. La 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 la.
The house got it this way on.
Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la.
Dahil nandito tayo sa Kroger ngayon, dahil kasi nga is titingnan namin dahil kung nandiyan na ba yung medicines ng anak ko, dahil so pupuntahan natin dahil yung medicine. Alam nyo ba dahil yung temperature namin ngayon dahil is 100 yung temperature namin sobrang init. But, you know, it is what it is. So, ngayon, kinukuha na niya ng papa niya si Bibi Kano, mga inday. And then, pasok tayo doon sa loob. And then, let's go. Pasok na tayo. Toot! Toot, toot! Toot, toot! What happened? What Papa doing? You're walking? Walk, walk. Walk, walk.
Watch yourself.
Asha, we gotta go in this side. There's a car. Hoy. Hello, ang bata dahil. Hala, yung kamot. Yung kamot. Yung kamot. Hala, tumakbo na yung bata dahil. Hello. We gotta wait Papa here. Papa is there. Yan na. Look. Look, where you go? Where you go? Huh? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Agoy. Hala. Where you go? Hey, Shelton. Kasay na. We're gonna go now. We're gonna go now. Ay, she's ang bata. Tingnan yung mukha dayo. Oh, mukha, oh. Patay. Papa is there na. Papa. Papa. Day, tapos na kami, Day. Tapos nandito na yung gamot ng anak ko, Day. So, let's go na. Nandiyan yung mag-ama ko, Day. Nag-walking sa bibig, ano. Let's go. Hello. Hello. May sticker si Bibi Kano day. Binigyan siya ng sticker nung ano day cashier. Binigyan siya ng isa. Let's go na. Nandiyan yung sasakyan eh. That woman who the one give us our medicine of Prince Love, I saw him the last time we are there in Kroger, and then he is in the grocery. Ay, nandito uli kami sa shop kung saan namin binili yung battery kanina. Kasi naiwan yung cellphone ng asawa ko dyan, day. Naiwan niya. Iwan ko ba, nasaan yung utak ng asawa ko, day, ay? Iwan ko, makakalimutin na siguro, day. So ngayon, pinuntahan niya. It's there? Ah, it's there. Someone hold it,
It's
cashier?
just sitting right on the counter right where I left it.
Wow! That's good. They don't care. They don't care.
I should just get rid of the thing. I can't hold on to it anyway.
Okay, let's go. Hi, Asher. Bata. Hello. Hinahawakan niya talaga yung sticker dayo. Yung asawa ko na paano na po dayo. What happened to you? Nalingling. Nalingling daw siya dayo. Nahuling. Ay, patay ay.
Fell on the floor.
Ay, joke lang yan dayo ha. Okay. What you say, Asher?
Is that funny to you? Papa's head fell out.
Tumawa si Bibi Kano dayo.
That's why I like the dry tools, because the big hair dryer.
The big hair dryer.
Yeah, it's a big hair dryer for your car. So you don't get spots.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, she have electric bike there.
Let's push her down and take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Nandito tayo sa day. Pwede ka makabili ng fries, ice
What's going on
cream.
here? What's the score?
Lahat-lahat. Oh. Ice cream. Agare, ice cream.
What do you want?
Ice cream gani.
You
Just
want
a
an ice
small-
cream?
Yes, small one.
Well, there's only two sizes.
The smallest one.
Or with a problem with what you got going on.
Tingnan yung asawa ko na yun.
What you doing?
Sabi niya, ano nang orderin ko? Sabi ko, burger. And then, hindi pala, mag-spaghetti pala kami dahil mamaya.
Ah,
The ice cream.
pockets are so cute.
Yeah,
You
that's
got
right.
pockets.
Yung packets. Tingnan yung packets there. My design. Just a small ice. Yeah, big one na lang, love. Just a big one, cookie.
You call me cookie.
No, you're not.
What about a cookie? Where's the cookie coming?
Okay, ice cream ba? Cookies, ice cream, cookies, ice cream.
But now the difference in price between that's even less. $5.49 to $6.99
For what?
for twice as much. Going from this size to this size.
Oh, so it's better the small one?
No, it's better than the large one because you're getting the large one for like $1.50.
Ah, okay. Eat a large na lang, dali.
I know
I know what's
what's happening.
happening here.
I really don't.
Ay, hindi na ako pagawin. In your salary this Friday or
What are you
Saturday?
gonna do? Are you gonna film you bullying me? They'll come get you for that, you know.
No.
There's bully police in the world nowadays.
Lumalayo yung asawa sa akin dahil kasi binubuli ko daw siya dahil kaya ganyan yung reaction niya.
She may be small.
And ano ba? And what we call of that? In Saturday, go in, what is that, love? the burger that I like, what is the name?
You guys don't know what she does to me off camera. Judge for yourself. Is that a guilty face?
Well, I'm not doing anything when the cameras is off. I just kissed you and then I'm doing like that, like that.
Oh, wow.
Why your reaction like that? Don't be like I'm being bad.
The air got thick all of a sudden.
Again, my ice cream. Ano, naluha na dahil.
Boy,
What we call of that? What
we
that
call
is
it
that
abuse
Ecolib?
Anonymous.
And that's where all of us abuse bananas, and we get together and we hug each other and we cry and we talk about, but she was so small, I didn't think she could punch like that.
Dahil sabi niya, dahil mag-gather daw sila, yung
And
mga
we give each
asawa.
other support.
Yeah, yung mga asawa na ina-abuse ng na wife. Dahil hindi yan totoo, joke lang yan, diha, baka,
Yeah, that's
baka
right.
ano dahil, ano sabihin, baka ano ba sa isip niyo totoo. Dama-dama lang yan dahil
There's
nagdrama.
no drama. How
Don't-
dare you insinuate that any of that was drama? I speak only the truth. I'm
Eh,
abused.
masakit na yung chan ko sa kakatawad. Pero drama lang talaga yan. Hindi yan totoo. Sumala, maybe they are thinking. Masakit na talaga yung chan ko. Baka they will think that I'm really doing that one. Oy, ikaw, yeah. Kasi di ba tayo mga Pilipino dahil mahilig tayo ng ganyan-ganyan. No, see. Kasakit ang tiyan dahil. Kasabi. Uy, you know, yung reaction ng anak ko dahil, tinitingnan na lang kami dahil.
I'm
Asher
telling you, Mama.
looking to us like, what happened to my parents?
You're a witness, Asher. Daddy hates to put you through it. Yeah.
I'm not doing
But
anything,
you're the only
Daddy.
one who's seen.
I'm not doing anything.
Well,
Kasi tumatawa
I'm
yung
afraid
bata.
Asher's the one that's going to have
Ay,
to testify
nagluwa.
to all this. Neither one of us get an opinion anymore.
Okay.
It's all in Asher's.
It's there na
It's
lang.
in his hands.
Asher, don't.
Why exactly are you spitting?
Ang luwa, anak. Don't luwa, anak. Ang luwa si Asher. No, luwa. Tingnan yung
Look at his
mukha.
face.
Tingnan yung
Don't
mukha.
know.
Yeah, that is his face
He's so
always.
mischievous.
Why your face like that, Mama? I just said no.
Look at how he doesn't even wait for the camera to go off. He just shows it.
Ay! Patay! No! Luwa! Stop! No! Tingnan yung mukha dahil. Sobrang seryoso yung mukha dahil. Tingnan yung... Oh, shush! The face. Super serious. No, ha? No, luwa anymore.
What you so serious for? Look at him.
Yes, so serious the face.
No. Oh my gosh, Daddy loves you.
Yeah, that's right. We love you now.
Yeah, I love you so much.
Yeah, ice. Oh my God, the big is so big. Ice cream. The ice cream is coming like. Ang laki ng ice cream. Kinukuha. Hindi kayo maubos na yung portion.
$29.64.
My God, oh, Jesus.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh my God, tingnan niyo dahil. Ang laki ng ice cream ginoo ko. Oh, Jesus. Perfect sa malamig na panahon dahil. 100 ngayon ang ano namin.
Well, let's see. It's probably went down a little bit.
I don't know.
Let's see what it says here.
Okay.
100.
It's still 100.
It's still 100.
Oh, 100 yung ano namin dahil. So, kaya perfect talaga itong malalaking ice cream dahil kahit tataba na tayo nito dahil. Patay. Oh, it's curvy.